People is proud to present the 40 Days 40 Fintechs, an initiative under its Include Everyone program, which is leading the way in advocating for technology that promotes financial inclusivity. Since 2020, we've profiled over 100 fintechs, and our latest season is shining a spotlight on those breaking down digital barriers and transforming lives for the better. Join us in this financial inclusivity revolution, presented with generous support from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Follow hashtag 40 Days 40 Fintechs, hashtag Level 1 Project to learn more and get involved in creating a brighter financial future for all.
The 4 Days for the Fintechs initiative continues to shine a spotlight on innovators that are using financial technology to serve the unserved and underserved people in Uganda and across Africa. On day 35 of the annual 4 Days for the Fintechs initiative season 5, we are glad to have a representative from MoneySent. Please kindly introduce yourself.
My name is James Mukasa, and I'm the CEO and founder at MoneySent.
Thank you so much. For those who are watching for the very first time, what is MoneySent and what do you do at MoneySent?
MoneySent is a fintech company. We are focused on making transactions.
Please break that down for us. What do you mean making transactions and how do you do it?
Okay, we leverage on our technology, and we have built a system that sends and receives money. Helps people to send and receive money anywhere around the world.
All right.
And we help people make payments and then do savings groups. We have a savings group, and we have fundraising. We are developing businesses, and then also we are into real estate, where we get you, let's say, Mr. Nicholas, you are in the United States, and you want to start a business in Uganda, or you want to build a house in Uganda. MoneySent can help you do that. Yeah, so we not only facilitate transactions, we also do other businesses like real estate.
Yeah, let us talk more about our transactions.
Yeah.
Maybe break it down for a layman. How does one access MoneySent?
Okay.
When you access MoneySent, what do you do with it?
All right, MoneySent is an application. It's a mobile application where you download it to your phone, and then you register. When you register, you qualify to have a MoneySent account. When you have a MoneySent account, you can use it to send and receive money. We also have an onboard for KYC, where you have to show us your ID. You present your ID, your face. I think you know the KYC thing. So when you do that, you are able to now send money off your account. Without that, you can receive money, but you cannot take it off your account. Okay. Yeah.
Maybe first thing should be, how does money reach the MoneySent account?
Okay.
Because people have money in cash on their bank accounts, mobile money.
Yeah.
So how does it reach the MoneySent account for me to start transacting?
Okay, first of all, we've integrated our system with different kinds of payment gateways. For example, we have mobile money, MTN and Airtel. We have banks. We have connected with banks. We also have agents around the country where you can walk in and then deposit money. And we actually recommend that too much because it doesn't require you to pay anything. You run into one agent, you deposit 10,000 shillings, they put it on your account, your MoneySent account, then you can send your money off because we are cheap and affordable. Yeah.
All right. Maybe let us use a simple example. Someone, let me say in Nakasongola, has a MoneySent account, and maybe his relative stays in the UK. Take me through the process of someone sending them money and them receiving that money.
All right. Now, MoneySent has different ways on how you can receive money. We have a person who doesn't have a MoneySent account, and the person who has. That person can send money to another person using mobile money. So if I have a MoneySent account and you don't have, I can just put your money, your phone number here, mobile money, MTN or Airtel, and then money can get from MoneySent to your MTN or Airtel number. Yeah. Thirdly, if someone doesn't have a MoneySent account, or the person who is sending money doesn't have a MoneySent account, and you who is receiving the money don't have a MoneySent account, you can also walk into a MoneySent agent and then you send money straight to that person.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir. So I want a better picture of how this works. Okay. So I'm in the UK, and you are in Kampala, and you in Kampala wishes to send me money in the UK. So take me through that.
All right. Now, like I told you, there are different ways on how you can send money using MoneySent. First of all, we have mobile money. We have our agents. So if you run into an agent and then you deposit money onto your MoneySent account, all you need is the other person in the UK's MoneySent account number. We have customer numbers that start with MS 50, 57, like that. So when you get that, you just put it into your MoneySend account and then you send the money. Yeah, our interface is really user friendly. It's only tap send and then you put the number of that person and then money gets to them in the UK. Yeah.
So now I've sent the money.
Yeah.
Or you have sent the money and I have received it.
Okay.
How do I withdraw it?
Now in the UK, we have not set out how you can withdraw money.
Okay.
Yeah, but we're going there.
Yes. So the reverse in Uganda, how do I create? So assume you are the one in the UK and I'm in Uganda. You have sent me money to Uganda. You have a MoneySent account. You have sent to my MoneySent account. So the money is on my MoneySent wallet. How do I withdraw it to use it in Uganda?
Now, someone in the UK will use their debit cards or credit cards to load money onto their MoneySent account, and then they send it back here in Uganda. Like I told you, we have agents here where you can go and pick the money in cash. You can use your bank account. You can use mobile money or Airtel or MTN.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I can now liquidate it via my mobile money account.
Yes.
For my MoneySent.
Yes.
To my MTN account, and I use it.
Just in case you're not close by
Yes,
our agent,
yes,
you can
yes.
use the other alternatives like
Yes.
sending to mobile money or bank.
Yes. Okay, maybe now that you're talking about agents, how is your reach? Like how many places have agents? How many customers have downloaded the app and how many customers are you actively serving?
Well, the numbers are continuously updating, but we have more than 10,000 now, and then we have more than 1,000 agents around the country. We don't have them settled in one place, and we are trying to fight that so we can have many of them in different places. But of course, there is need for some kind of cash. But we have them separate. Sparsely populated there in different areas around the country. So I cannot tell you that we have so many of them in Kampala, but we have them around the country. Okay. Yeah. So the best way right now to basically use MoneySent money is making payments on bills and supermarkets and then mobile money.
Okay, maybe now take me through how the bill payments works.
Yeah.
Which bills do you pay? How are they paid?
All right, we pay all bills here. We pay even taxes as well, government taxes. So if you have money on your MoneySent account, you can basically pay for your car, pay for water, pay your taxes, pay any other bill. Yeah. Pay TV. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yes, as a startup in Uganda's fast-growing fintech industry, what are the main challenges that you are facing in your intentions to scale?
Well, first of all, regulations. Yeah, they are not yet good enough for everyone. And I think in the last 40 days for the fintechs, we talked about it, but even up to now, nothing has been done yet. But I think the government is trying so hard to scoop us into their regulations. They're still hard, but that is one of the most the challenge we have. Also, threats, cybersecurity threats. We always get threats. We always get people trying to hack into our systems. It's also another problem that we have to keep on checking our systems. We have built AI systems that can help us identify such problems and then we fix them. But of course, that's a threat. Yeah, they always come in. Maybe someday they'll have to pass through if we do not really remain consistent in what we do when it comes to securing our system.
All right. Yes, again, as a player in the fintech industry, what do you see is the state of the industry with focus on opportunities?
Well, I think it's a great opportunity. I mean, fintech companies are growing up. They're coming up every single day. Like I said the other time, that Uganda is too big for only two players. So we have so many players coming in, and I love it because now people have a variety of options to send and receive money. If my system is off, someone's system is on. If their system is off, mine is on. So I think it is also providing creating jobs for the young people like me, like you, like anyone else here. You know, we wouldn't be here if we didn't have MoneySent. Yeah. So it is creating more opportunities for us, and then the agents that I was talking about, we employ them. You know, we give them commission. We give the best commission here in Uganda. We make sure we take the least, and our agents take more while making our customers happy.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, someone might want to know, as someone dealing with people's money, because MoneySent is dealing with people's money. From where do you derive the mandate to operate?
Okay, we are now under the BOU sandbox. We are trying our system. We're not yet there yet. We don't have the license right now. We are testing our system, and we've been testing it because we are required to test the system before it is out there. But of course, we have testers that are doing that, and we cannot tell people don't download the application. They do download the application, but of course, we have measures we are taking. We know what we are supposed to do and what we're not supposed to do at this moment.
Okay. Yes, I know that you have talked about the sandbox environment versus the licensing environment. What are your views about the licensing amounts for startups like yours?
I think that is one of the regulations that I'm telling you about. The fees are very high because when we started, it was about 2.5 million. Yeah, 2 million shillings for a license from Bank of Uganda, and then we're like, okay, we can pay this. But by the time we were done with development and research, we found out that we are going to pay about 60 million, like us as a startup. We have to have 2 licenses. The operator, up to now, I don't understand the difference between the two, service provider and then service operator. It doesn't really make sense for me. It doesn't. It should be one license because I cannot give a service without operating it, right? So I'm an operator at the same time the service provider. I cannot be having 2 licenses for such things. So up to now they have not explained to us what those 2 licenses really mean.
Yes.
And they have not bothered.
Well, I want to say they haven't bothered. Maybe when you are in that sandbox environment. What do they tell you?
Well, sandbox is basically just testing your application. Put it over there and then test it. And then they will tell you what to do. But you know what? Many fintech companies would wish to stay in the sandbox because when you get a license, it is even harder. I'm telling you the fact. It's even harder. They have to regulate. They have to ease their regulations to when it comes to startups, because the moment you get out there, it is too much pressure they put on you.
All right. Yes, thank you very much. As we wind up, you have been in the 40 Days for the Fintech initiative for the second time.
Yes.
What do you think has been the contribution of this initiative, one, to MoneySent as an entity, but broadly to the growth of the industry?
Well, from last year, what 40 Days for the Fintech has done for us as an entity, as MoneySent, we have showcased our brand, and we also got investors from the United States. We have also registered in the US, and then we have our offices in the United States as MoneySent Global. So we're basically growing, and 40 Days for the Fintech is helping us showcase our solutions to the problems we have as Africa. And first of all, it is free of charge. We get here and we show our solutions to the problems that we have as an industry. And these points are the ones that you take to the government, because you guys have the direct input, the direct arms to the government. So it is easier for us to showcase our problems here, and then you guys can take them out there.
In 2 minutes, please face your camera and build a case as to why people involved in the business of sending and receiving money should opt for MoneySent.
MoneySent is very cheap, and it's very affordable for you to use. Secondly, anyone in the United States or any other country can help you pay bills here. Someone in America can pay your bills. MoneySent is worldwide. Anyone can access it. So you're welcome to MoneySent.
Like you have heard from him, MoneySent enables you send and receive money globally. This has been day 35 of the annual 4 Days for Fintech initiative, season 5. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.